Good morning guys, in front of me is AGM Mobile Smart Pad and let me show you how to locate Imei number. At first, open your phone gather, then enable keypad and provide a secret code which is *pound or £6. And as you can see here under device information you've got both Imei numbers included. This panel also allows you to check serial number, and there's another way to locate Imei. It's a bit longer, but to do it you can also open settings, go to about tablet, scroll down, and under basic info you will be able to read both Imei numbers. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.